Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send money from your Payoneer account to your Wise account. First, log into your Payoneer account. Before you can transfer money, you need to link your Wise account. This works the same way as adding a bank account. Go to Banks and Cards on the left, click Add a Bank Account, and select your country. Next, enter your Wise account details under Account Details and Submit. Payoneer will need to approve your Wise account just like they do for a bank account. Once approved, your Wise account will appear under your linked accounts. Now you're ready to transfer money. Click on Withdraw and Transfer, then Withdraw to Bank. Select your Wise account as the destination, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. And that's it. Your money will be sent from Payoneer to Wise quickly and safely. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy guides.